is your Mutya ng Davao 2025 Queen and her court.
This is their very first appearance after finally being crowned last night. And now, you know what, guys? Last night, their lives were changed with the crown that they have. But if I may say, now one of the message that really struck my heart in last night's activity was the final Q&A of our very own Mutya ng Davao herself, where she said, Davaoeños, this moment is ours. Such a timely and relevant answer from a queen, a well-deserved queen herself.
Definitely, and straight from celebrating their win as a queen of Davao, they are also now celebrating their win as one Davaoeño, as one winning Davaoeños here at San Pedro Square. Thank you so much. Again, as I mentioned earlier, this is not just a celebration of the 88th or the founding anniversary of Davao City. This is also a celebration of the community, one where all of our queens present here are part of.
Ayan, full package. Talaga ang ating mga Davaoeños. We saw talent kanina, we saw drive, determination, servitude, but now we're seeing beauty, grace, wit, knowledge, and heart from our Mutya ng Davao reigning queens. We have seen it all, Davao, and definitely we have it all. Truly, life is here in Davao City. Alright, once again, congratulations to our Mutya ng Davao queens, and we still have one more year to see more of their beautiful faces. And last but not the least, I am very pleased to announce our school, DMMA College Marching Band, a leading tertiary education institution offering programs in marine transportation, marine engineering, customs administration, hospitality management, hotel and restaurant services, tourism management, comprising of skilled musicians and precision majorettes. They showcase a blend of traditional and contemporary music. Their performances at various events highlight their dedication, discipline, and passion for music and performing arts. Once again, the DMMA Marching Band!
Woo! Grabe! Another incredible performance. Actually, not another, no. It's always an incredible performance from the DMMA Marching Band. Daghan kayo salamat sa pag-uban sa ako sa pagsaulog sa 88 araw ng
Ayan, I could see familiar faces. I also see our former Sinag ng Davao right there, Miss Yuan. Congratulations on your race. Hello, Miss Kimberly, Miss Paula. And of course, thank you very much, DMMA Marching Band! Wow, that was DMMA Marching Band, and now making their way to San Pedro Square, we have Public Safety and Security Office Kalay! For the Public Safety and Security Offices, we have the NBI, the PIDEA, CDRR, MO, and the CSU. Alright! Thank you so much to your service!
Grabe, Davaoeños. Pwede ba nato sila pakpakan sa tanang ng mga naanini sa tent o sa tanang ng mga naasa kilid sa kadalanan, pakpakan nato ang atong
Men in uniform.
uniform.
Daghan kayong salamat kaninyo, sirs and ma'ams, for your service to the Davaoeños.
They are the absolute reason why everyone feels safe here in Davao City.
The pillars of Davao City. I agree. At the forefront, our people, our citizens, serving fellow citizens. I'm very proud to be Davaoeño to witness all of this in front of me right now. I agree. No, you know what? Ganina palang buntag sa'yo kaayo kay namalit ng kape ni Elton dito sa nagbaktas-baktas na sa kadalanan sa Davao. But we were able to feel secure and safe kay makita yun ang presence sa atong mga security forces. So, dagahan kaayong salamat kaninyong tanan, ma'ams and sirs, for always ensuring that Davaoenos are safe.